Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to update your router firmware. Keeping your router firmware up to date is crucial for security, performance and accessing new features. Step 1. Check your current firmware version. Close up of the router. You can check the current firmware version of your router. To do this, you'll need to log into your router's web interface. Open your web browser and type in your router's IP address. This is usually something like 192.168. Like this. Once you reach the login page, enter your username and password. The default credentials are often admin for both fields, but if you've changed them, use your updated credential. Next is to navigate to the once you reach the login page, enter your username and password. Now navigate to the status or system information section. There you'll find the current firmware version of your router. Make a note of it. Then next step is to download the latest firmware. Head over to your router manufacturer website, look for the support or download section. Enter your router model number to find the latest firmware version. Compare the latest firmware version on the website with the current version. If there is a newer version available, download the firmware file to your computer. Before we update the firmware, it's a good idea to back up your router settings. Go to the backup or maintenance section and follow the instructions to save your current configuration. This way, if something goes wrong during the update, you can easily restore your settings. Now it's time to update the new firmware. Navigate to the firmware update or upgrade section in your router's web interface. Click on choose file or browse and select the firmware file you downloaded. Once you've selected the file, click on upload or update to begin the process. Be patient as this may take several minutes. Make sure not to turn off or restart your router during the update. After the update is complete, your router will reboot automatically. Once it's back online, log into the web interface again and check if the firmware version to confirm the update was successful. And that's it, you've successfully updated your router firmware. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.